In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Thrustmaster T128 on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up any model of T128 that you have is extremely simple. Assuming that you bought the model that is compatible with Xbox consoles, you will be able to use it on old gen or new gen consoles. Make sure that your model is not the PlayStation 1. If you have the T128 that is only compatible with PlayStation consoles, it isn't going to work, so double check on the box. Now, all that you have to do to set up your Thrustmaster T128 compatible with Xbox is to connect the controller. So plug the USB cable from the Thrustmaster T128 into any of the available USB ports on your Xbox console. So I'm going to show you some of the locations for the most popular Xbox models. And when you connect it into any of these available USB ports, it should automatically be recognized. So if the console was not powered on, make sure that it is now, and the steering wheel should get detected as a valid input method, or rather a controller. So now you can open any compatible game, such as Forza Horizon 5, and when you go over to the settings, steering wheel support will be present. You can choose it from there, customize the advanced control settings, and start playing right away. Now, if it doesn't work right away, it could indicate one of two things. The main one is that you are playing a game that doesn't have native support. An example would be GTA 5. GTA 5 does not have steering wheel support, meaning that regardless of the steering wheel and console, you will not be able to use steering wheels to play that game. And the second main reason is that you are trying to play without updating the drivers or firmware. So sometimes updating the firmware or the drivers can help issues. So go over to the support.trustmaster.com website, connect your steering wheel to your PC just like you would with the Xbox console, so plug it into a USB port and you will be able to look for the T128 model that you have. It is going to be available here, and once you download the latest version of the firmware that is available during the time that I'm recording this video, it is going to be 5.04, you will be able to use this steering wheel without any problems. So download the drivers, just run the executable, and do the same for the firmware. Once they are up to date, you will be able to repeat the steps that I mentioned. So open any compatible game and enjoy. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Thrustmaster T128 on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.